मुस्तफा भी है हम मुस्तफा भी
We are looking forward to see members of OIC in Islamabad on the 22 of March to discuss Palestine and the region issues. It's very important to see most of the high authorities of the Muslim world in Islam.
57 head of delegations and foreign ministers from member countries will get together here in Islamabad to discuss regional issues, common challenges, and of course Afghanistan situation. And we are happy that Tajikistan delegation is also will be take part in this important regional event. And our member of delegation will have opportunity to meet their colleagues and to discuss many common issues.
الاحترام والتقدير للجهود المبذولة والمباركة التي تقوم بها جمهورية باكستان الإسلامية لعقد وإنجاح هذا الاجتماع الهام لوزراء خارجية منظمة التعاون الإسلامي في العاصمة إسلام آباد. تمنياتنا بالنجاح وبقرارات مصيرية نابعة من إرادة حرة للتعبير عن متطلبات الأمة الإسلامية وحمايتها، وعلى رأسها المسجد الأقصى المبارك والقضية الفلسطينية، ولمواجهة التحديات التي تجري في العالم. المسجد الأقصى أمانة في عام.
Tunisia is looking forward to actively participate to this important meeting of the OIC, and we are looking forward to address the numerous items on the agenda which are very important for the Islamic world. Also, we are looking forward that the OIC will not stay only as a political platform, but also address economic and commercial integration within the Muslim world.